Hello students, hope you all are fine. Okay, so today we are going to continue our chapter 2, file management in Windows 10. In previous class I given you a quick revision about our chapter. Okay, so today we are going to learn about something about files and folders. So in first line I will upload this PDF so you can read this, but now for the video I am taking help of PowerPoint. Okay, so let's start. Files and folder. I believe that you are having some little idea about the file and folder because I explained you 2 or 3 times. So suppose wait a while please. Yes, suppose you are drawing a picture in Paint or typing a letter in Microsoft Word. Okay, suppose you are drawing a picture in Paint or typing a letter in Microsoft Word. Okay, so I am showing you Word file. I am typing just Word. And this is my Word file. Okay, this is my Word file and I am writing here any letter or any name, any paragraph for your help. I am writing here hello dear children. Okay, so suppose you are drawing a picture in Paint or typing a letter in Microsoft Word that I shown to you. After completing the task, what do you do? See, I written a sentence here. Hello, dear children. Now, what is my first duty or my first step according to you? You simply save it on your disk with a name. What I need to do? I need to save this file. This is my file and now I want to save it. Okay. So the area on the disk that contains some information, the area on disk that contains some information and is saved with a name is known as a file. Understood? So if I ask to you what is file, what should be your answer? The area on the disk that contains some information and is saved with a name is known as a file. Understood? So let me give an example. This is file. Now I am saving this file. How I can save this file? Just click on file, click on save button, choose the location where you want to save this file. For now I am choosing I want to save my file in document section. So I am clicking on this PC. This PC window will be open. Now I want to save here. as you can see, I am writing file name here. So I am writing class 4. Okay, and after that I am clicking on save button. Understood? So I am saving this file on my disk. Okay, disk means a storage area. So with the section, again repeat with me, what is file? The area on disk that contain some information and is saved with a name is known as a file. Understood? In other words, we can say that a file is collection of data. A file is a collection of data. It is more easy. If someone asks to you what is file, just say collection of data, because in a file what we are storing? We are storing data. We are storing information. Okay, so we can say that a file is a file is collection of data stored on some storage device such as a hard disk. Understood? Next point. What is a folder? A folder is a place where many files are stored. See, just remember a line. A folder is a place where many files are stored. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am creating a folder and I will store some file. For that I want to come on desktop. What is the shortcut key for creating a folder? Yes, Control Shift N. Okay, this is shortcut key, Control Shift N. I am writing here folder. Now after double clicking I can open this folder. This folder has opened. Now here I am creating a file. How I will create file? Again Control N. Sorry, you just need to click on new and you can store your file here. Okay, when you will click on new, a section come to you, pop-up menu come to you. In this pop-up menu you have to select Word, Microsoft Word 2016, and your file will be created. Understood? See, I am at Words. Now I am creating a blank document. I am writing here, this is file 1. Okay, and Control S for saving the file. Now where I want to save this file? See, choose a location. I want to save on my folder that I created on desktop. So this PC, desktop, on desktop, and on desktop we are having a folder, and I am writing here, this is my file 1. Save. Understood? Now again I am creating one more file. Control new is the shortcut key for creating a new file. Now I am writing, this is file 2, and again I am saving as a file 2 in a folder. which I created on desktop. Save. One more file I am creating, control new for creating a file, and I am writing this is my file 3. Control S. As a file name I am giving file 3. Again I am, see, this taken by default. This location is taken by default because last time I choose a location folder which is on desktop. So folder, click on save. Understood? Now I am closing my all Word files. Okay. Now if I click and open my folder, now I can see there is a file. There are 3 files, file 1, file 2 and file 3, which I created. Okay, so folder is a collection of files. Even you can say a folder is a place where many files are stored. Okay, so in other words, the file are contained in a folder. A folder may have one or more files stored in it. There can be one file also and there can be more than one file also. Okay, we had created 3 files. Third point. A folder may also contain different folder. A folder may also contain different folder with file in them. It means there may be both files and folder inside a folder. Inside a folder we can also have a file and we can also have some folder. Understood? So if I open again my example folder, here I am going to create a new folder. For creating new folder I am using my shortcut key Control Shift and N. Okay, Control Shift plus N is a shortcut key for creating the folder. Excuse me. So here I am writing my inside folder, my inner folder. I can say my inner folder. Folder within a folder is my inner is a inside folder, subfolder. This is known as the subfolder, and this subfolder is having name my inner folder. You can give name as you want. Okay, so this is a my inner folder. Now you can see here in folder I am having a folder also and some file also. Okay, if I want to create some other files in my inner folder, it is also fine, we can create. Okay, so a folder can contain files also and it can contain folder also. But if I am creating a folder, inside the folder it is known as the subfolder. Understood? For today's class, one more time I am revising folder and file. In next class we will learn some important points. So what we learn? Suppose you are drawing a picture in Paint or typing a letter in Microsoft Word. After completing the task, what do? You simply save it on your disk with a name. Okay. And the area on the disk that contains some information and is saved with a name is known as a file. In other words, we can say that a file is a collection of data stored on some storage device such as a hard disk. Next important point, a folder is a place where many files are stored. In other words, the files are contained in a folder. A folder may have one or more files stored in it. Understood? A folder may also contain or store different folder with files in them. It means there may be both files and folders inside a folder. Understood? In next class, we will learn some do you know points or remember point. If it will be possible, I will also cover creating a folder and how you can create a folder with the different methods. Understood? Thank you.